sa pagkakataong ito, tayo naman po ay humingi po ng opinion mula po sa isa pong constitutionalist, isa po sa mga framers po na 1987 Constitution, si Attorney Christian Monsod, at dati pong COMELEC Chairman. Attorney Monsod, magandang hapon po. Welcome po muli sa DWIC LU Channel 23. Drew Nasino po, Attorney.
Okay. Magandang hapon po.
Opo, magandang hapon din po. Salamat po sa inyo pong pagpapaunlak, Attorney Monsod. Attorney, ano hong masasabi nyo rito sa naging hakbang, naging decision po ng Senado na ibalik po dito sa Kamara itong articles of impeachment po laban po kay Vice President Sara Duterte?
Well, I don't think that is power that is given to the Senate by the Constitution. Ang self-executory powers po is to hear the case. Now, if there are issues like yung unconstitutionality daw dahil more than one more than one complaint has been filed. There is a pending case in the Supreme Court on that issue. So, ngayon, may injunction na yung lawyers ni Vice President.
Opo.
And, as in, if it's an ordinary case, if there is a petition for injunction, until the Supreme Court issues an injunction, tuloy yung process.
Okay.
So, ito naman, that is not within the purview of the powers of the Senate.
All right.
To question the House whether they can, how do they address the constitutionality issue with respect to that yung once a year only impeachment charge.
Opo. So, may sinasabi po, may paliwanag po si Senate President Francis Jesus Cordero na korte lamang ang maaring magsabi kung ano ang legal at hindi at kung ano ang constitutional at hindi. Is it legal or illegal?
Sinabi naman niya bakit kaya pinayagan niya ito ibalik at himuyi ang Senado ng answer from the House on whether or not, if I remember correctly, how do they address the unconstitutional issue or issue a verification that they did not know ating unconstitutional, that their impeachment charge is constitution in form and substance.
All right. Sa makatwid, may violate ang Senate?
Yes.
Exactly. Okay. May violate sila. Pero,
yes.
Opo, though ang sinasabi ho nila ng Senado ay hindi po ito dismissal. Nililinaw po nila, hindi po ito dismissal o hindi naman po nila ibinabasura ito pong kaso po ng Vice Presidente. Is it safe to say that?
Why bakit hindi nila tinuloy yung trial?
Oo.
If there is no issue of constitutionality.
All right. Okay. So, ano na po ang dapat gawin at hindi ano na po ang susunod na dapat gawin po ng Kamara, assuming na nakarating na sa kanila?
I don't want to speculate on what the House will do.
Okay.
You call me for an interview after they have responded.
Sige po. Attorney, baka meron pa ho kayong mga karagdagang pampanawagan sa atin pong mga senador, sa atin pong mga mambabatas, Attorney Monsod?
Yes, alam nyo, gusto ko lang ipaala sa mga senador. No? They are senators of the people. They are senators because the people voted them into office. And as such, yung Article 11, yung charges of against the Vice President, di ba? Including, graft and corruption, yung kanilang violation of the Constitution, yung public trust, they did not practice public trust because public officer is public trust. Na the Vice President is guilty of that. No? So, sa akin, that Article 11 is to protect the people from government officials who did not exercise yung public offices sa public trust. Bakit sila, hindi naman sila abogado ni Vice President. It was not the Vice President who made them senators. It's the people. So dapat sila, obligation nila to serve
ang mamamayan. Yes, opo.
The interest of the people.
Opo. So lumalabas parang sila pa nag-abogado kay VP Sara.
I mean, where is their integrity? Those are supposed to be impartial and fair, impartial, and independent judges in this case. Pinakikita nila yung mga yung kanilang feelings na parang they have prejudged already that the Vice President is innocent of the charges. Dapat they conduct the trial and then they decide whether it's conviction or acquittal. Pero hindi ganito. Na naghahanap sila ng butas na there will not even be a trial. Self-executory yung ating constitution that they must conduct the trial immediately.
All right.
February 4 pa
4 months na.
Pinadala sa kanila ng Senate yung articles of impeachment.
Right.
Andito lang tayo ngayon after 4 months, 5 months.
Attorney, last na lang, pwede bang tanggihan nyo ng Kamara? Yung ipinadala po, yung ibinalik po ng Senate?
Well, I don't want, again,
to speculate. All right.
I don't like to speculate on what the House will do.
Yes.
But so far, has been doing what the Constitution requires.
All right. Nako, sige po, Attorney Christian Monsod, aabangan pa ho natin kung ano nga ho ba magiging susunod pang kabanata dito po sa serye po na ito ng impeachment.
But, doon nyo ako interview.
Sige po, Attorney, antabayanan po natin. Napuyat din ho ba kayo? Tinapos nyo?
Pinanood ko.
All right.
Pinanood ko. Actually, I tried to, I kept awake just for that.
All right. Sige po, Attorney. Okay. Marami pong salamat sa susunod pong muli. Magandang hapon po. Ingat po kayo, Attorney. Salamat po.
You're very welcome.
Ingat po. All right. Si dating COMELEC Chairman Attorney Christian Monsod, isa po sa mga framers po ng 1987 Constitution.
Balitang Bayan.